What's up, everybody? So today's project is actually we're going to be fixing a mirror on my wife's car over here. We are going to be replacing it. It's a 2013 Honda CRZ. So we're going to be trying to figure out how we're going to do this. So that's kind of the weekend project. So my thought is we probably got to pop this plate off right here. Hopefully this just pops right off. And it did. So that's pretty easy. It looks like we have 3 screws. 3 bolts, I should say. 1, 2, 3. Because that's what the new piece looks like. Right here, 3 bolts. Yeah, it looks like the bolt pattern is going to match up, so that's good. Okay, so we're going to get these 3 bolts off. One problem I'm already seeing is this plug. So I'm hoping there's enough slack when I pull this thing out that I can disconnect it, because I don't want to have to take the door panel off, but we're going to have to see if that's the case. So I don't know what that's probably going to be, a 10 mil. Yep. 10 mil it is. And this is going to be a little bit of a pain because you can't get the wrench in there. I hope I can get these bolts out. Now that I think about it, I might have to take the whole door panel off. Because, yeah, you know what? I think I'm going to. Because I don't think I'm going to get these bolts on and off without dropping them. And that would suck. Oh, that really stinks. And we lost our other screwdriver. There it is. So, if I'm guessing correctly, we're going to have to take off. There's probably a screw back there. And it looks like there's one right down there. I don't know how this thing's gonna come off, because I mean, I just give this a little yank and I mean, that bit, feels like there's something right behind there. Alright, well, I guess we're gonna tackle this screw first. I need a bigger screwdriver than that. And turns out as simple as we want it to. So we got that one screw out. Now I was trying to mess with this. That one up there, but I don't know. I don't know how well this one's gonna come off. Seemed to be fighting me here just a bit ago. Oh, right, there we go. We got it. We got it. Alright, there looks like there's 2 screws back here. last thing I want to do is drop anything and it goes bye-bye. Alright, well now I have a feeling this is not it. That's just that piece right there. That does not have to do with the whole door panel. So, well, let's take them out just in case. Alright, so I think this is what we're gonna have to do. We're gonna have to pop that piece off. This one right here. I believe, from what I read, there's a screw back underneath there somewhere. Back underneath there somewhere. So that is what we're gonna have to do. And they said it's a little tricky, but they said this, yep, just like that. It's just kind of held in by some clips or something like that down here. Yep, there we go. And hear a pop. Hear a pop. Some more. Popped it off there, just like that. And then we got this little clip over here that we gotta take off somehow. There we go. There's a little pinch thing right there. Pinch that down, and then I'm assuming that's gonna pop off. Maybe not. There we go. Okay, so that piece is off. And then there's one screw, and the light's washing it out right down there. And then once we get that screw off, I believe this panel just yanks right on off. So get that out of the way. Got our screwdriver here. Need to get the right screwdriver. Holy cow. There we go. Alright. Okay. So that screws out. This is loose now. And now, from what I've found out, you just got to give it a good yank. So this panel should pop off. I'm going to try doing it from this end over here, because that's wow. Wow, that was on there, guys. Okay, well, you know what? That's all we need. So, because now we can get to the clip and we can get to our bolts. So, that should be good right there. Alright, so 3 bolts, and then this thing should come off. So there's 1, Oh man, I just smacked my head on the top of this. Oh, that hurt, man. Oh, that hurt. Wow, I smacked the crap out of my head there. Alright, that's number 2. And can we get in there? Can we get in there? Okay, before I do that one, I'm gonna see if I can get this plug disconnected first. Release itself. Just like that. Okay. Let's get this other. Alright guys, look at that. Just like that. The mirror is off and everything. And as you can see, that's why we're replacing it, because it's just dangling there. So, alright, that's old mirror out. Let's get the new one. The wire fed through there. Got the same 3 screws, and we got a locating pin. So should just be able to getting that back on, and then plug her in and see if she works. So let's get this thing plugged. Okay, that's back in. That's back in its little holder there. Let's tighten these things back up. The first part about the whole thing was just getting the door panel off. So I'm not gonna go overly tight, because just in case. There we go, hand tight with it. Okay. Okay. Alright, let's see if we can't get this door panel back on now properly. Okay, so next thing is the screws. So that's gonna line up right there. That screw lines up. So now we just gotta batten down the hatch. Now we can get this panel back on right here. This bad boy. So let's get this thing plugged back in. I think you went like this. Yep, just like that. There's like a little tab over on that side, kind of like, oh yeah, that made it so much easier. Like a little like tab. Okay. Okay, that one's tight. That one's tight. That one's tight. Those are good. This panel is on there. Gotta get this piece back in there now. It looks like it just kind of... Okay, that's in there. Last but not least is that panel right there, which is this piece right here. Honestly, it doesn't even look like it's really held in by much. Something is not letting it get in there. Okay, that's in there. I guess our last step is just to double check that it works. So we're gonna set you guys up right there. Right there. Alright, looks like it works. Success, guys. So that's a 2013 Honda CRZ passenger side mirror replacement. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you guys all on the next video. Take care, everybody.